The U0401 code in your Ford vehicle means that the ABS unit couldn't get proper data from the ECU or PCM. It most likely will be accompanied by a bunch of different warning lights and messages on the dashboard of your car. This code is quite tricky, so a lot of owners end up replacing one part after another, trying to fix the initial reason for this code and warnings. Now, the biggest problem is that the code U0401 is just a consequence of some other issues. It doesn't show you any reasons, and it doesn't even hint at what to look at. In one case that I've seen with this code, the initial culprit was the failing ABS sensor in one of the wheels. In another case, the problem was with the mass airflow sensor sending wrong readings into the system. Also, the problem may be with connectors in the ABS module, ABS sensors or ECM. And it's very hard to find those issues without a good car electrician's help. Anyway, to avoid wasting money on unnecessary parts, you need to diagnose the vehicle with the ForScan or with a good high-end scanner compatible with your car model. It may be Launch, Bosch, Autel, Ucanic, whatever. It's just important that the scanner has the diagnostic program exactly for your model and year. This will allow you to communicate with all the control modules and see what other codes are stored. Usually when you see all the codes, it's quite easy to understand the reason for the problem. Without this, you'll be throwing money down the drain, buying one part after another. Also, before you invest money in inspections, it makes perfect sense to check the 12-volt battery with a load tester. If the battery is weak, it will drop voltage when you are cranking the engine, so some modules, including the ABS, ESP module, will be upset and may just set random fault codes. So if the battery is not healthy, it's a good idea to replace it first and then look into other possible culprits.